Philips is dedicated to help you manage leads safely, predictably, responsibly, including the rare instance of an SVC tear. Bridge Plus Occlusion Balloon deploys in under 2 minutes, stopping up to 90% of blood loss and providing a crucial 30-minute window for patient stability and safe transition to surgery. To prepare Bridge Plus before extraction, conveniently open the Bridge Plus Prep Kit or retrieve necessary accessories. Advance the 035 super stiff guide wire through the 12 French introducer sheath in the right groin and deploy the guide wire from the right femoral vein to the right internal jugular vein or right subclavian vein. If occluded, place the wire in the left innominate vein. To prevent dislodgement of the wire, ensure it is secure either to the drape or reloaded into the wire tube. Advance the Bridge Plus balloon and position the proximal marker bands at the SVC and right atrium junction. Position the distal marker band near the clavicle and first rib. Inflate until the low-pressure compliant balloon fills the SVC and starts to bulge into the innominate vein. Check to ensure the balloon is not migrating into the right atrium. Mark the shaft of the balloon at the 12 French introducer and note the amount of contrast and saline mix utilized. These preparations allow you to re-inflate the balloon, even if fluoro is not available. After staging Bridge Plus prophylactically, deflate the balloon with a syringe and pull it back into the IVC. This preparation confirms device positioning to avoid prolapse during deployment. You can now confidently perform lead extraction procedures and improve your response time in an emergency. In the rare event of an injury or a drop in blood pressure during lead extraction, advance the marker you placed on the balloon shaft until it reaches the hub of the introducer sheath. Inflate Bridge Plus to the noted amount for 30 minutes of acceptable hemostasis and a clear field of view for surgical repair. When every second counts, empower your lab with an evidence-based solution for SVC tears. Bridge Plus, your bridge to surgery.
Philips.